Today I will demonstrate esummary function of reutils. Esummary is a very useful function that we can use in many applications. Esummary retrieves a summary of any article listed in any Entrez database. First, I want to show you what does summary of an article means in Pubmed website. Let's make a simple query. You can see that default query result format is summary in Pubmed database. A summary format consists of article title, author list, journal abbreviation, publication year, volume issue, data, page numbers, if available DOI numbers, and unique identifier. You can display this result in text format in Pubmed website. This text result is very similar that we use in our interface. Let's look at the esummary documentation in API documentation website. The fundamental parameters of a esummary is name of database, for example Pubmed, and unique identifier of article. There are optional parameters, and also fundamental syntax is simple. esummary.fcgi, name of database, and unique identifier list. One thing that's very important for this function is results are retrieved in XML data format. When we use the summary function in our utils, if you want to convert it to text format, you have to use content function of our utils. If you continue using the results in XML format, you can use expat expressions. If you are not familiar with expat expressions, don't be afraid, it's so simple. You can find a detailed tutorial on expat expressions in v3schools.com website. It's a very useful tutorial, and you can learn everything you need in minutes in this site. Let's look at syntax of this function in our utils documentation. The function name is esummary. Unique identifier list is first argument, and the database name is second argument. If you retrieve a large data set, you can use redstart and redmax arguments. Let's try this search in our interface. First, we have to load our library. It's loaded. We define a variable, write our function. We need a unique identifier of any article. We put unique identifier of article, and we define the name of our database. You can see the results in XML format. Here you can see a title tag in XML format, title node. Let's try to retrieve the title of this article. First, we write the name of our variable, parenthesis, single quotation, double backslash, and we write our node name, single quotation and close parenthesis. That's very good. You can see the title of this article. In the other hand, you can use this function by converting the results in text format. You have to use content function for this purpose. We define a new variable, content function. Our vector is A and type is text. Let's look our data. You can see. Let's look the structure of our data. You can see the title of our article. This is a list type result, and you can see dollar signs in the beginning of each data. Let's try to retrieve this data. That's better than XML results. You can enlarge the capacity of this function according to your purposes. This is I have demonstrated the most simplest form of this function.